In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text in Webflow in just a few simple steps. If you're new to Webflow or just need a refresher on how to incorporate text into your design, stick around. We'll make this as easy and straightforward as possible. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to sign in to your Webflow account. If you're not already signed in, head over to the Webflow website and enter your login credentials. Once you're in, you'll be directed to your Webflow dashboard. Here is where all your projects are housed, so it's kind of like your mission control center for everything you're creating or have created in Webflow. Once you're on the dashboard, you want to locate the project that you intend to work on. Go ahead and click Open that project so we can start adding some text elements. With your project open, you'll notice a sidebar on the left. This is a really important tool as it contains all the elements you can add to your page. What you'll want to do is click the plus button located on this left sidebar. This action will open up the Add panel. As you explore the Add panel, you'll quickly find a series of options. You're particularly looking for the typography section. This area will provide you with the tools you need to add text. The typography section is where you'll find all the various text elements you can incorporate into your design. Now, drag and drop one of these text elements onto your page. You've got some choices here. There's the heading option, which is great for titles or any text you want to stand out as a header. Then there's the paragraph option. It's perfect when you need to incorporate longer blocks of text. Lastly, there's the text block, which is ideal for little snippets or standalone bits of text you might want to place strategically. After you've got your text element in place, it's time to put in your content. Double-click the text element or simply select it and press Enter or Return. This action will make the text area editable, allowing you to start typing directly into it or paste any pre-written content that you have ready to go. Once your text is in position, Webflow offers a variety of styling options that you can use to customize its appearance. Go over to the Style panel, where you can alter the font type, adjust the size, play around with the colors, and tweak the spacing. You can really make the text fit your overall design aesthetic. And there you have it. With these steps, you are now equipped to add and customize text elements within Webflow. Feel free to experiment with the styling options to see what looks best for your project. Thank you for tuning in, and happy designing.